Welcome to C4FF. This is a presentation about us and our role in the UniBus project. Who are we? C4FF has been at the cutting edge of innovation and technological advancement since its inception in 1984. C4FF initiated the Factories of the Future project, which received widespread acclaim. Since 2003, C4FF has been involved in developing European maritime education and training solutions. C4FF has established MariFuture and MarEdu, two international partnerships of academic and vocational training institutions which support innovation in the maritime industry. C4FF is also a leader in developing software solutions for innovation management, logistics, supply chain management and sales forecasting through cutting-edge collaboration with EU and UK partners. These are some of our sectors: maritime education, business intelligence, hybrid vehicles, factory automation, and future universities. These are some of our past maritime research projects. Current funded projects include Optimum, Daytime, Greenship, Prometheus, and AQPC. UniBus builds upon the expertise already established in the UniBus project. UniBus proposes the conception of a collaborative cloud-based platform that implements a new challenge-led methodology to support higher education institutions to link with businesses across Europe. We aim to engage and inspire, and these are some of our collaborative partners. UniBus. Introduction. The UniBus project is about developing a university business, UniBus, cloud platform for joint collaborative projects specifically designed to involve students on industrial projects. It primarily concerns the development of a framework which will provide guidelines on how the HEI assessor will give credit for students' work carried out on the platform, and how companies will assess how and if this is a good idea or solution to solve a problem, and communicate this to the HEI students. C4FF played an active role in all of the project outputs. We were the leader of IO4, the UniBus cloud platform. We led the team of developers from Actuate and BAU University to develop the cloud platform, which provides a service for companies to submit project challenges, a service for HEIs to select challenges, a service for ideas assessment and evaluation, a collaborative project management tool. We also collaborated on the technical development of the UniBus mobile application, IO5. The advantages of the app are as follows. The mobile application platform consists of all the functions of the web portal to give a higher level of accessibility to the target groups. Students become more familiar with mobile social applications. This output helps with the dissemination of a project to become faster while making use of social media integration, and helps to develop a knowledge base to benefit others. We also collaborated on the development of training materials on how to use the platform for the HEIs, the staff, the students and businesses. IO7. The user guides and support material can significantly increase student achievement by supported student learning. To learn more about us and the UniBus project, please visit our website. Thank you for listening.